This is Aaron Weiler from Horses, Hogs, and Dirt Bikes, and today we're continuing to rebuild a dangerous Suzuki RM250. Alright, let's get to it. Today we're going to be installing the hand controls, the brakes, and the grips. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and then you'll know next time I upload a video. Alright, let's get to it. Installing the throttle cable. Put it inside the slide. Lock it into place with a little ring. Insert it back into the carburetor. Tighten the Allen screws on top. Kind of a pain to do it while it's connected into the bike, but it's not too bad. And just feed it up the left side. This is a Pro Taper clutch lever that I got. It has the quick adjust on it. First time I ever had a quick adjust, so it's kind of a new deal. And then put the cable on the clutch lever and then tighten that up so it doesn't come back off. Some models have a little tab that bends over, this one doesn't. So you have to have a little tension on it for it to stay there. And get ready to put the throttle on. This is the new Pro Taper throttle also. Run the cable inside, connect it to the throttle tube. And it takes a little bit of finesse to get that wheel back in, but it's not too bad. Always like to double check before I tighten it down and make sure that it's actually moving right. Put the cover on. Then I use brake cleaner to spray inside the grips. It helps them to slide on. The one on the throttle tube is kind of a pain because that throttle tube is bigger than the handlebars. So it takes a little bit of finesse to get it back in there. Not too bad though. Then instead of using glue, I just use safety wire, wrap it around twice, and then twist it up with the safety wire pliers. And then what I like to do is cut the tail kind of long, bend it in half, and then push the sharp edge up inside the grip itself. So the sharp edge is underneath the rubber of the grip. That way there's no way it can poke you. I found 2 wires is more than enough to hold the grip in place. I think I've seen some people use 3, but it wasn't necessary on these. Same thing on the throttle side. I'm pretty happy the way things are turning out so far on this bike. Haven't run into any serious difficulties yet. Don't want to jinx it. And then the kill switch usually goes between the clutch perch and the grip. I like to put it where I can get to it real easy with my thumb if necessary, and then route it down and connect it into the wiring harness. And then on the front brake, always make sure that your brake pads are in the slot. They're held into place on a slot on one side and a pin on the other side. And sometimes they can come out of that slot and bind up. Then I always like to put everything together first before I lock it in with thread locker. Make sure everything's fitting correctly so I don't waste it. And then the front brake lever, pretty basic, just goes right on. And you can adjust it later to where it fits your hand right while you're riding the bike. No big deal. I did get a new lever though. I figured might as well, since everything else is going to be brand new, might as well put a new lever on there. I'd hate for the old one to break or something happen to it. So that's a Pro Taper also. And then adjust that. Check it. Rear brake just slides into place. Then the master cylinder connects onto the frame. Pretty simple. Little thread locker on those. And that's it. All right, well, it's coming along great. I'm getting real excited. There's not a lot more left now. You can take a look at some of the other videos that I have right here. Thanks for watching. Keep the rubber side down.